Good morning. We are starting the day with some beautiful pancakes with a nice view. Good morning. We are waiting on the bus right now and we are finally going to do the zipline today. It is a beautiful day, sunny day. The bus arrived. You just need to wave to them and then they stop. And we got dropped off by the bus. It is really easy. And now we are at the adventure park. Let's go. They also got a zoo here, but it's really small. Like they got crocs and tigers, but they are in really small cages. So that's a little bit sad in my opinion. We are not used to that in the Netherlands. These roads are beautiful and it's not too hot anymore here. Alright, they're very friendly. Let's buy a ticket and then we go. Yeah. Up here? Alright, let's go. 2 minutes walk. Okay, thank you. Okay. So we bought a ticket to go back and forth with the zipline, so 2 times per person.
Now we're going on the zipline.
We got the zipline and it costed 700 pesos each. So that's like 10 euros? Around 10 euros I think.
Yes, around 10.
I will put it exactly down here. 2-minute walk upstairs. Let's go. Okay, it is very hot now. We made it upstairs.
Good morning.
They will test it before us. 73 years old. Wow. Life goals. That's amazing. It is time. Are you nervous?
A little bit.
A little bit. Healthy nerves. Yeah. It will be very cool.
I'll swap ma'am, but you're the separate and there's a separate stick like that.
Oh, okay.
This is so cool! Woohoo! I'm going faster! Ah! Oh my god! Ah! This is so high! This is really cool! Oh my god! Oh my god! Hey, the river cruise! Ah! This is very cool! Oh my god! Oh! Landing incoming! Oh, I'm so fast! I'm going so fast! Oh! It was very cool! Thank you! Ah, okay, thank you.
Oh, dat was best wel cool. Vond je het niet mooi dat uitzicht?
It's really fast. It is so amazing. Holy moly. It's so fast.
Sven was going faster than me.
Yeah, I was speeding. I used my turbocharge.
I was enjoying the river. It was beautiful with little water.
It's high, right? It's very high.
Very high.
When you're in the middle, was you thinking like, oh my god, I'm gonna die?
No.
No?
I was
I was.
looking at all the little waterfalls.
You're like, it's so high. Oh, watch out for them though. I'm not sure if I can walk there. Good luck! Good luck! They're so nice. What a life goals. They are 73. Now we are ready for the second one. We need to go back.
Okay, down, sir.
Down, all the way down. We're going no mountain. Hands up, hands up.
Yes.
Okay, hello. Just spread your arms open like this. Okay, like a butterfly.
Like a bird,
Yeah.
yes.
There's a lady wearing a red shirt. She'll
Okay.
take photo.
Like
Perfect.
Yeah, someone
like
Thank
take
you.
a bird.
photo.
I can fly. Like a bird. Fire.
Let's go! Fleur's faster this time. Wow! You are so high. It's amazing. There goes Nice. This was really nice.
Waar moeten we die foto bekijken?
It's so high. Apparently they also make a picture, but I bet my GoPro shots are much better. Take a look at this. It's amazing. They also make pictures here for 150 pesos if you like it. But to be honest, mine was a little bit unclear. It's amazing. I would really recommend you doing this. If you're not into ziplining, you can also take this cable card. It's a little bit less expensive as well. Oh, something dropped.
Enjoy the view as
You
well.
can enjoy the view as well. But the oldest person was 93, they said. That's really old.
And they say it was like a bucket list
That's the
thing.
person who was taking the pictures on the cable card. He's taking a picture from us now. When we arrived here, there was almost nobody. And now there are a lot of tourists. It's like 11 AM right now, I think. So make sure to come early. It was really fun. And now we're walking back to the end of this path. And we will wait there for the bus again to go back to Lobok village. And it's really hot outside now. So I put on my bandana for the sun protection. I found a beautiful shower. Maybe there's a snail inside. No, I think it's empty. Wow.
It's a whole empty shell.
Oh, it's a beautiful one.
But I think it's a snail shell.
So?
I don't want that. I only want a seashell. And mine is
Fleur is
still
picky.
rotten.
That's the most beautiful shell I've ever seen.
No, no.
Just saw it on the road here.
Shell is crazy.
So if you want it, it's right here on this road. Okay, I think this is a nice bus stop, so we will wait here for the bus. They don't have bus stops here, but this looks like it. But you just wait for the bus and wave to them. Maybe don't sit on it, but use it as shadow. Oh, Fleur is not afraid. While we were waiting for our bus, I saw this. This is a durian, right? Not a very big one. Wow. That's cool. I see something more. Yikes. This animal gets eaten by these ants. This bus is very full. This one is very crowded. The one we took before was almost empty. He's standing almost as with the bus. It's so busy, and I paid him 50. I could almost money. I couldn't grab my money, but I gave him 50, and he wanted to give me the exchange. But I was like, no, keep it. It's so busy. It's for you. Let's grab an iced coffee. We're hot. Third time this week here, and he is very friendly. Just had a conversation with him. Oh no, they have the regular burger. They have the burgers now. Mmm. Mmm. We will try the burger tonight, right? We have to. Nice, nice. I've got a creamy vanilla and salted caramel. Do you have a burger for tonight? Burgers? Do you have it tonight?
Yeah, we have.
Perfect.
Okay, yeah.
This for the iced coffee. It's okay, it's okay. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
See you tonight.
tonight.
Bye bye. The Tosties were out of stock. Hopefully they have it again. They are supplying the 7-Eleven now. The Tosties are back in stock. Yes, yes, yes. This is how they supply it. These are these river boats. They're huge. I am editing the whale shark video right now for you guys, and this is already the 6th boat or something. It looks fun with live music, but it's not really our thing. Bandana at Fleur. You look sexy, girl. Oh,
No.
I like
I'm a
it.
pirate. Arr.
Arr. Too cute. It looks good on you though. And while we were editing in the restaurant, they made up the bed, cleaned the room a bit. So very, very good service here at this hotel. I will put a link in the description below. So if you're here, you can also go here. We are back at our friends here. They recognize us. I've got the strawberry soda. Fleur got the blueberry soda. This is so yummy. We've got a double burger with some fries with cheese powder. It's really good. Go get it there. I'm a real Filipino now. The burgers were really good, so definitely go to that place if you're in Lombok. Lombok is also really nice to go to. And now I'm getting some snacks for the movie tonight. We watched 1 Mile yesterday, part 1. It was really good. And now we're gonna watch part 2 of 1 Mile. And this one is so nice. And also get some ice cream and some drinks for tomorrow. Just grab the chicken asodo bawang here at 7-Eleven and some snacks.
Let's give it a try.
Let's try it.
Nothing.
It's really good. Also with the xiao pao sauce. It's really good. There are so many baby kitties here. Okay, on night 3 I found out something. If you do this light, it will actually change color. Sometimes it's white and sometimes it's yellow. Nice. I didn't know that. Is the other light doing that as well? No. Alright, we bought some ice cream. I got the super thick vanilla because I like the vanilla super thick. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe and see you in the next video. Bye bye.